everyone, let me show you this. I chose this from way back because I wanted restaurant and hotel standards for your home kitchen and for your business. For your restaurant, for your hotel, this is the Kitchen Pro aluminum fry pan, and it comes in several slices. It comes in several sizes and several configurations. Beautifully done. It even has a detachable silicone handle, kind of difficult to take off, but it's detachable, and this immediately protects your hands when you're cooking with the aluminum fry pan. So you want hotel standard. You want something that you can use and that your staff can really punish and use several times a day. This is your aluminum frying pan. You have to look for heavy duty kitchen tasks. It's great. Whether it's for the home or for the business, it's all you need for sauteing and frying your favorite meat or fish. The Kitchen Pro aluminum fry pan is one of the most important cookware you need in your kitchen. Really, European standard, especially for sauteing and frying and steam frying for crepes, omelets, and pan roasting.